If you're experiencing login errors on WhatsApp, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update WhatsApp. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for WhatsApp, and update it if a new version is available. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Double check that you are entering the correct phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Make sure to include the correct country code. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve login issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 5. Reinstall WhatsApp. If the problem continues, uninstall WhatsApp from your device and then reinstall it from the App Store. This can help clear any corrupted files that may be causing the login error. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on WhatsApp. If problems persist, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for further assistance.